Welcome back, you guys, to another CCIV update. I have tons of new updates and positive catalysts. Lucid Motors just released a test drive video. I have a full calendar of CCIV catalysts for the year with the merger date, and we also have great stimulus news. In this video, we will go over all the news I just mentioned, plus price targets and short interest to see what we can expect in the next few days. If you're invested or thinking of investing into CCIV, you don't want to miss this video. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to join our Options Temple community. And as always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity. If you're new to investing or unhappy with your current trading platform, try Webull. Get 2 free stocks with Webull if you deposit $100 or more. Click on the Webull link under the description below. Before we get deep into the details, let's take a look at the test drive video with Peter Rawlinson showing off his baby.
So leaving the building now, heading out on the road. First drive in this car, super exciting. We're going to head up to Skyline and test the car through the mountains. And we've got some really twisty sections, which will be the perfect proving ground for the vehicle dynamics. I'm really looking forward to this. Here we head west across San Francisco Bay. Impressed by the blend of regen as it's coming in by the traffic lights there. Beginning to get nice. We recently upped the regen from 0.25G to 0.3 in sports setting, which I personally prefer quite a lot. Fantastic primary ride quality on this pitchy type of surface. We've dialed out a lot of the pitch sensitivity, and that's come really good. Hitting in the 50s of miles an hour, and the car's hardly even, it's at a trot, not a canter. Super isolated ride quality. I wanted this vault-like experience from an electric car that no one's really perfected yet. And this is the basis for it. Shattering performance, compact and agile. This car's as much a sports car as a sedan. Terribly testing surfaces here, great single wheel inputs, great body control. And you get this left-right jitter inputs that can really create shake. We've got exceptional body stiffness. It's really nice. Really pleased with that. Just a little bit of judder on the hill hole. We need to work on the software, just on that modulation of the torque. And that's the point. We can improve on that. And we're heading out into driver's country. We're going past the iconic Bucks Cafe here. Some of my earliest days with the company when we were called Ativa. We're out meeting folk at Bucks, interviewing some of the suspension tuning team have done a fantastic job with this. I'm noticing around the 0 up to 2 miles an hour the need to finesse that whole feedback loop from accelerator to torque command. Still in heavy traffic, impossible to unleash the capability of the car here. But it's nice and taut, experiencing a whole range of different surfaces. Very pleased with the whole ride quality and the suppleness of the suspension. That's great. We've tested that thoroughly. I've tested that before. And this is every bit as good as the prototypes. The road is about to get more interesting. I'm getting great steering feedback here as we head up through the hills. The turn-in response is phenomenal. The body composure. This is a complete machine. Nice lot of feedback at higher speed as well. I'm liking it a lot. Really getting into it. I'm really nuts about steering feel. This is coming nicely. It's unlike any other car I've ever driven. It really is. It's taking it to a whole nother level. Thank you. Well, it's pre-production now. Almost there, yeah. It's just come out of the factory last week from Arizona. Thank you so much. I hope you like it. It's my baby. It's got a 1,000 horsepower. 500-mile range. 500-mile range. This is the first time we've ever driven one without camouflage on the road.
Are you serious?
Serious, yeah. First time ever, yeah.
It's an honor.
So you've got the scoop of all scoops.
It's an honor.
What a smooth puppy. Now for the stimulus update. Great news. President Biden signs the stimulus bill one day early. Today during the market hours, Biden signed the bill. Stimulus checks could start hitting bank accounts this weekend. S&P 500 jumps 1% to a record high as Biden signs new stimulus. Nasdaq rallies 2.5%. We've been seeing the market recoup nicely for the past 2 days. A lot of the high growth stocks are recouping and it seems like the worst is over. Let's take a look at some price targets, institutional shares, and short interest. CCIV opened around $26 and pulled back to $25.35. Since then, the rest of the day we had a nice and steady uptrend and hitting a high of $27.18 and closing at $26.83. We are staying above the $25 price target and things are looking great. If we take a look at the dailies, we see some resistance at the $30 price target. We might see a pullback there if we reach those levels tomorrow. Although the signing of the stimulus took place during the market hours, the markets didn't explode. It seems like it might take a day or two for the markets to digest their information. I'm feeling very optimistic for the next days, not only for CCIV, but across the market. The markets ended bullish once again with 4,700 advancers and 1,400 decliners. We are seeing a shift in momentum to the upside. Although we are seeing a lot of positive news, we are also seeing the short volume ratio increase. It's now at 22%, something to be aware of. There's also no new institutional shares activity. No one is buying, no one is selling. Now for the best part of the video. This is Lucid Motors Catalyst calendar. Take a screenshot and save these dates. These dates will create huge price action volatility. March 17, Dolby Atmos for music and Lucid Air. Not sure what this means for that date, but I'm assuming this is a sound system they will be integrating into their cars. In Q2 we have re-entry of EV federal tax credit, AMP2 announcement, autonomous, software news, and phase 2 AMP1 construction start. On June 30th, we have the big merger date. CCIV will be changing its ticker symbol to LCID on June 30th. I'm sure we will see a nice run up until that date. Second half production start. July 1st, Lucid Air reviews. July 3rd, Q2 production delivery report. August 1st, first customer deliveries. This will be huge once they start delivering. And October 3rd, Q3 production delivery report. In Q4, we have bidirectionality feature OTA update and opened a total of 18 Lucid Studios. This looks like a strong year and I couldn't ask for more. CCIV hands down will be a winner. As for 2022 and later, these are some of the catalysts that will be determined. Entry to Europe and Middle East markets. Construction starts Asia Pacific factory. Construction starts of Middle East factory. Project Gravity SUV in 2023. Energy storage systems. Technology supplier. Planned sedans. Planned SUVs. And planned other vehicles. Wow, what a list. This list should keep us busy and confident for at least another 2 years. Now that this information was released, I hope you all have a little peace of mind. I just opened my new store. If you would like to support this channel, take a look and pick up a t-shirt. Click on the link under the description to go to my store. That's pretty much it for this video. If you liked this video or found this information useful, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to see more trading and investing ideas. I'm not a financial advisor and this is for entertainment purposes only. And as always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity.